Meet Cher, born Sherilyn Sarkeesian on May 20, 1946, in El Centro, California, is an iconic American singer and actress. She gained fame in the 1960s as part of the duo Sonny and Cher, known for hits like I Got You Babe. Cher has won numerous awards, including an Academy Award and a Grammy, and is celebrated for her reinvention throughout her career. At 78, she defies age with her youthful energy and vibrant appearance. Cher attributes her ageless look to genetics, a healthy lifestyle, and surrounding herself with younger friends. Join us as we explore her secrets to staying young and full of life while continuing to inspire generations. In this video, we will dive into Cher's diet and exercise routine, as well as the 5 foods she avoids. So let's start the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Cher's diet routine. Cher's diet is a carefully curated blend of plant-based foods and low-fat options that contribute to her youthful vitality at 78. Here's a detailed overview of her dietary routine. Core dietary principles. Plant-based focus. Cher emphasizes a plant-based diet, incorporating a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. She avoids red meat and ham, favoring healthier alternatives that align with her nutritional goals. Her meals often include brown rice instead of white rice, legumes such as lentils and beans, pasta, which she finds energizing, fruits like bananas, papaya, and nectarines for their natural sugars. Low-fat choices. Cher consciously avoids high-fat foods, believing they can lead to sluggishness and weight gain. She has eliminated most dairy from her diet, specifically transitioning from whole milk to non-fat milk or skipping milk altogether. Avoiding cheese, which she considers difficult to digest and high in fat and cholesterol. Healthy snacking. For snacks, Cher opts for nutritious options rather than junk food. She has adopted quick and healthy choices like microwave sweet potatoes, which she finds convenient and satisfying. Cher also enjoys baked potatoes and Caesar salads, showcasing her preference for nutrient-rich foods. Natural sugars. Cher avoids refined sugars, choosing natural sources instead. This approach helps maintain her energy levels throughout the day without the crash associated with processed sugars. By adhering to these principles, Cher has maintained her health and energy levels, allowing her to continue performing at a high level while inspiring others with her age-defying vitality. Cher's exercise routine. Cher's exercise routine is a testament to her dedication to health and wellness, blending various activities that keep her both physically fit and mentally engaged. 1. Frequency of workouts. Cher maintains an active lifestyle by working out approximately 5 times a week. This frequency allows her to stay in shape while also giving her body the necessary time to recover. She believes that consistency is key to achieving and maintaining fitness goals. 2. Diverse workout activities. Cher's workout routine is far from monotonous. She incorporates a variety of exercises that target different muscle groups and keep her engaged. Zumba. Cher enjoys Zumba for its fun, dance-like quality that combines cardio with rhythm. This high-energy workout not only helps improve cardiovascular health but also enhances coordination and flexibility. Yoga. To complement her more intense workouts, Cher practices yoga. This helps improve her flexibility, balance, and mental clarity. Yoga also aids in recovery by promoting relaxation and reducing stress. Strength training. Cher includes strength training in her routine, focusing on core exercises such as wall sits and various abdominal workouts. These exercises help build muscle strength, improve posture, and enhance overall stability. Cardio workouts. In addition to Zumba, Cher engages in other forms of cardio that keep her heart healthy and boost endurance. Activities like step classes or even brisk walking contribute to her cardiovascular fitness. 3. Fun physical activities. Cher believes in incorporating fun into fitness. She enjoys activities that feel less like a workout and more like leisure. Surfing. Cher has mentioned her love for surfing, which not only provides an exhilarating experience but also serves as a great full-body workout that builds strength and endurance. Wii tennis. Engaging in games like Wii tennis adds an element of playfulness to her routine while still providing a good cardiovascular workout. It's a great way to stay active without the pressure of traditional exercise. 4. Mindset and motivation. Cher's approach to fitness is heavily influenced by her mindset. She often speaks about the importance of working hard and pushing through challenges. She acknowledges that as she ages, she has to work twice as hard to maintain her fitness levels. This determination is a significant motivator for many of her fans. Cher avoids several foods to maintain her health and youthful appearance. Here are the key items she consciously excludes from her diet. 1. Cheese. Cher considers cheese one of the worst foods for the body due to its poor digestion and high fat and cholesterol content. She believes it makes her sluggish and contributes to weight gain. 2. Dairy products. Beyond cheese, Cher limits dairy overall, having transitioned from whole milk to non-fat milk or often skipping it altogether. She finds that dairy can lead to bloating and discomfort. 3. Red meat. Cher does not consume red meat, opting for plant-based protein sources instead. She believes this choice helps her avoid health risks associated with red meat consumption. 4. Alcohol. Recognizing its potential negative effects on health, including DNA damage and oxidative stress. 5. Coffee. She almost never drinks coffee, which she feels is unnecessary for her energy levels.